Hi there, this is Renee with the Zesty Meal Prep Services and Pantry Makeover Services, and I'm super happy that you're here. If you've come to my page, then it means that you're interested in being a Zesty Chef Supervisor, and I'm super excited about that. All of our Zesty Chefs and Supervisors make a huge difference to families, especially busy moms and dads who are trying to provide well for their families and want to have healthy whole foods but just don't have the time or the desire to cook. So you as a supervisor would be providing a great service. You'd be helping the chefs. You'll have 3 other chefs that you're in charge of, and the 4 of you will be preparing food each week, 7 meals each day, 1 day a week, 7 meals 1 day a week for the families that we have, and we'll provide for 10 families at a time. And so those meals that you create will provide for them for the following week. And as a supervisor, you also are in charge of shopping for the meals that you're going to be cooking. And so you provide a huge service for our company, and we hope to be able to help you as well earn some extra money. So if you have come this way and you love to cook and you have some managerial skills and you enjoy helping other people, and you're able to manage time well, then we want you on our team. So apply down below, and we'll be talking to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.